Hello everyone, drum tech drummer and online educator Kenny Sharretts coming to you with a shout out for the digital drum dial, which has been helping me maintain the tension of these giant Surdos that I have to take care of while I'm out on tour this summer, man. I have this giant wall of drums, and these 3 drums actually ride in the truck on the rack because I've been using my special custom creation with SSC, the Rock Rack Locks, to keep these racks bound to the riser and riding in the truck. So these drums take a little bit of a banging. Although it's a solid ride, they don't move at all. There's still some adjustment of tension. So if I want to make sure that my fine tuning, which is what I'm doing every day on these drums, is right, every once in a while I want to check it with a digital drum dial. Now what is a challenge over here on the angled drum, and I got to be real delicate, leave it hanging. I can see we got 84.5. We got 84.5. Now I'm just holding the drum dial in place here. We got 84.5, all right. We got 83.5, so I make a mark over here with a key that I need to make a little adjustment here. Check it down here, 84.5. Check it out down here, 84.5. We got now these over here are a little bit weird. They're a little bit harder. They seem to want to lock in, but we got an 83 or an 82.5, 83.5, 83.5. We're back to 84.5. So I know that if I come across on these 2 legs here and just give them little nudges, I know that this Surdo is going to tune right up and bounce right up, and now I can trust the tensions. So when I'm fine tuning pitches, which I can hear a little bit low over here, I know that it's right to go ahead and tune them up. Let's check over here. Beautiful. Now I can trust the drum dial's indications to kind of guide me when I'm doing this, because these drums, I have a lot of drums, y'all. I mean, I got a lot of drums. So this drum dial has been fabulous. You can find it at Big Bang Distribution, man. Check it out, y'all. Digital drum dial, because sometimes it's exactly what you need. Solid.